Hi, I'm Håkan Hansson. I'm the Global Product Manager of Audio at Axis Communication. Axis Communication is an IT company doing Internet of Things products to put on the network. Here we are at ISE show here in Amsterdam 2020, and today we showing our product solutions within network audio products. And I'm happy to introduce a new network speaker, the C1410 network mini speaker. It got a small form factor, and this is a perfect product for voice announcements of any kinds. It could be for emergency messages or just general announcements for information at shopping malls, hospitals, office buildings, school, whatever. So this is a true IP device that you can connect it on any standard network. It's an all-in-one unit, meaning that you have the speaker, you also have the signal audio processing, the DSP built in, and the power amplifier, and it's powered by just using the standard network cabling using power over Ethernet. That means that the all-in-one unit is just run by power over Ethernet, and that means you can get power to the unit, you can get control of the unit, and you can do the audio streaming to the unit. So that means with this having everything on and the intelligence on the edge, you can both monitor that the device is working, but it's also very scalable and flexible when you design an audio system. And this is, since each unit has got its own IP address, it's extremely easy then to design an audio system. And you can then do the number of zoning and the number of speakers needed in a zone. You can easily change this. It's just a question about configuration of the network. So it's time to say goodbye to all the electronics you need, all the racks, cabinets with all the boxes. You don't need that anymore. So it's just about the number of speakers and doing the configuration in the software. Another great thing is that since it's a true IP device, the audio signal from the microphone or the triggered audio clip goes digital all the way out to the endpoint, meaning that you can really do central monitoring of all your devices, so you know when the voice message is going to be played, that it's clearly heard. And another great thing with this product, it's an innovation and it's an Internet of Things product. We also have a built-in motion detector, a PIR sensor. So that means that it could just in a single unit, when you have a motion detection, it can, for example, automatically play an audio clip. You have an internal memory in the product, so you can upload your MP3 files or WAV files, and it can be easily triggered. It's intelligent. The product you have intelligence on the edge. So we have a clock built in and a scheduling functionality built in. That means you can also do some logic setup, meaning that, for example, between 9 and 6 o'clock, you don't want the motion sensor to do anything, but between 6 and 7 o'clock, it can trigger a message. So it's really an intelligent system. And you can also use the motion sensor to give you, as a sensor of any kind, to connect you to your building automation system, knowing that in the evening there is nobody in the building, and it can just send a signal to close down the ventilation system or turn off all the lights in the system. If you want to know more about these products, please visit our website, axis.com.